Hey, good morning, Computech. Mr. Vincent here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use our webcam to take a picture of something so that we can send it in to our teacher. Pretty simple sounding, pretty straightforward sounding, but let's take a look and see if we can actually get this to work. All right. Now, if you're using this computer for distance learning, chances are you've got a webcam. It's the same webcam that's used in Teams when we're talking to you and we ask you to show your face so we can see how you're doing. Well, we can use that same webcam to turn in physical work samples as well as to take a picture of ourselves. So let's start out and see what we can do here. Okay? The camera, if you click the Windows button, you have a button on your computer that looks like the Microsoft Windows logo. It actually looks like this, right here where I see Start. Or you click Start on your computer. Your camera is going to be named one of two things. It's either going to be named camera, or if it's not named camera, it might be named webcam. Okay? So if you type in camera or webcam, you'll get this app that's called Camera. And it looks like this. Wow, you can tell how great my hair is by the middle of the afternoon. Don't worry about it. I guarantee you that your teacher's not looking for how well you did your makeup, how awesome your hair looks, unless maybe you're in the drama class. Okay? But for everybody else, we're really looking at what it is, the content of what we're turning in. Okay? So, bear with me for a second. I'm asking you to take a picture of yourself, and I'm not asking you to take 50 or 100. Just click one and see how it goes. And so, over on the right side of the screen is a picture of a camera. If you click that icon of a camera, it's going to take in and save a file of your picture right here. And it actually saves it in a place called the camera roll. All right. The easiest way to get to the camera roll is you actually can click on that picture in the lower right, click on See All Photos, and it's going to open up. Oh, it's giving me all sorts of issues here, of questions. I'm just turning no on all of them. All right, here we go. And so you can see that there's several pictures already here. All right, that having been said, this is the picture I just took. Okay? And so if we click this picture, this is actually what I want you to turn in. Okay? And so what we can actually do here for this particular picture is we can put this picture into an email. I'm going to show you where the picture is actually living on your computer. This might help you with that. If you click on Pictures, once you click on Pictures, you'll notice that there is a folder called Camera Roll. Now let me just show you how I got there again, okay? I clicked on any file folder window down here at the bottom, and then I clicked on Pictures. And inside there is a folder called Camera Roll. All right. So you can see I have some various pictures here. This is the one I'm actually looking for. That's the one I took. Might not be awesome, but it's the one I took. So as soon as you know where it is, when you go to turn it in for your teacher, whether that be in Teams or on a form or somewhere else, you know exactly where you've saved that picture. It's there for you. Thanks for watching, Tigers. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you have any questions, reach out in Teams.